Hello everyone, welcome to Stupa Mindfulness. The Eurobasket or Superbowl tournament is one of the most exciting events in the world of sports, but it can also be a time when it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and lose focus. If you are looking for a way to stay present and focused during the tournament, mindfulness practices may be the answer. In this video, we explore 3 simple mindfulness techniques that you can use to stay focused during the Eurobasket tournament or any time you find yourself getting distracted. Breathing exercise. First, let's start with a simple breathing exercise. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this pattern of breathing for a few minutes, focusing on the sensation of air flowing into and out of your body. Next, let's do a body scan. Lie down or sit comfortably and close your eyes. Starting from your toes, pay attention to each part of your body and notice any sensations such as a tension or relaxation. Move slowly up your body, focusing on each part as you go until you reach the top of your head. Guided meditation. Finally, let's finish with a guided meditation. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place such as a beach or a forest. Take in all the sights, sounds, and sensations of this peaceful environment. Allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or distractions and focus on the present moment. And there you have it, 3 simple mindfulness techniques that you can use to stay focused during the Eurobasket tournament or any time you find yourself getting distracted. Remember, mindfulness is about being present in the moment and letting go of distractions. So, take a few moments each day to practice these techniques and enjoy the game with a clear and focused mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.